Meet Dr. Iris Vega, a brilliant scientist on the brink of unlocking the secrets of time travel. Every day she experiments with her time machine, discovering universal truths about how it works. If you press this button, the machine starts. This is the zero conditional used for facts and things that are always true. In Iris's world, there's no room for error. Other examples include if I drink too much coffee, I can't sleep at night. Ice melts if you heat it. When the sun goes down, it gets dark. Today is a big day. Iris has found a way to send herself into the past to recover a lost artifact, but she hesitates. If I go back in time, I might change history. This is the first conditional, used to talk about possible future outcomes. Iris knows her actions have consequences. More examples of first conditional are if it doesn't rain tomorrow, we'll go to the beach. If they don't hurry, they'll miss the train. If I see her, I will say hello. Iris decides to go back to the 1800s to retrieve the artifact. Upon returning to the present, she finds her lab destroyed and the world changed. If I were more cautious, I wouldn't have risked such a dangerous experiment. This is the second conditional, used to imagine hypothetical or unreal situations. Iris wishes she had been more careful. Further examples of second conditional are if I were taller, I would buy this dress. If she saw a snake, she'd be terrified. If I won a lot of money, I'd buy a big house. Determined to fix her mistake, Iris studies the machine. She realizes what went wrong. If I hadn't tampered with the settings, none of this would have happened. This is the third conditional, used to express regret about past actions. Iris knows she can't change what's already done, but she can learn from it. The following are examples of third conditional. You would have gotten wet if it had rained. I would have believed you if you hadn't lied to me before. If I had have worked harder, I would have passed the exam. As Iris works on repairing the machine, she considers her current situation and her past choices. If I had been more prepared, I wouldn't be in this mess now. This is the mixed conditional, combining past conditions with present consequences. Examples include, if he had stronger arms, he could have lifted that weight. If I didn't have a fear of spiders, I would have lifted it up. If I'd studied harder, I'd be at a higher level now. Dr. Iris Vega's journey isn't just about time travel. It's about understanding how choices shape our world. Through the magic of conditionals, she's learned to reflect on the past, navigate the present, and prepare for the future.